There are multiple ways to access your tracks on the opus-quad. One of them is via CloudDirectPlay, which enables you to play tracks from the latest version of your rekordbox library directly from the cloud when using compatible DJ equipment. Here's how to set it up. With rekordbox open, plug your USB into your computer. Head over to My Page, Library Sync, scroll down and enable Use rekordbox CloudDirectPlay. A cloud icon will show up against your USB drive. Click it and you'll be prompted to authenticate this device. Hit OK. The icon will now change to a tick, showing it's authenticated. I've added these following playlists to the cloud and not exported to USB. The USB will act as a login to access the tracks in the cloud. Now to the opus-quad. You can connect it to the internet over Ethernet cable from the link port to the modem, or connect to the local Wi-Fi network with its inbuilt Wi-Fi. Long press the shortcut button, press network, then Wi-Fi setting. Enable Wi-Fi, then select the network you want to connect to, along with entering the password. You will see the internet and Wi-Fi icon turn white when connected. Now with your USB plugged in, press source, your cloud USB, then log in. It'll then connect to access your rekordbox library over the cloud. Once done, it'll show you the number of tracks and playlists that you have access to. You can now access your tracks as you would normally on your USB. Since they download as you load them onto each deck, they are stored into the unit's cache, so if you load the track again, they'll load immediately. Also, whatever changes you made like adding hotkeys will immediately update to the cloud. If you want to remove authentication on a USB, connect it to rekordbox and hit the tick against it under the device tree. If you lost your USB, you can manage it remotely by going to My Page, Library Sync, click the link if you've lost an authenticated device. You'll see all your devices. Tick the desired one, then disable. So hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more content and I'll see you on the next one.
I'm here only 'cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone.